Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Wells Fargo savings account step by step clearly. To begin using Zelle with your Wells Fargo savings account, first, ensure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the Wells Fargo app and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, locate the Zelle option on the main menu. Tap on Zelle to start the setup process. If this is your first time using Zelle, you will need to enroll by following the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security code sent to your mobile number or email. Enter the code you received to confirm your identity. Next, link your Wells Fargo savings account to your Zelle profile. You will be prompted to choose an email address or phone number that you want to associate with your Zelle account. Once you've made your selection, Zelle will send a verification code to that email or phone number. Check your email or text messages for the verification code, then enter it on the app. After verification, your Zelle account is now linked to your Wells Fargo savings account. To send money, tap on Send Money with Zelle. Select a recipient from your contacts, or enter their email or phone number manually. Enter the amount you want to send and include a note if desired. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a notification confirming the successful transfer. To receive money, simply provide your email or phone number to the sender. You will be notified when funds are deposited into your Wells Fargo savings account. For any questions or issues, refer to the help section in the app or contact Wells Fargo customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.